Now, I don't always film my warm-ups, but actually the day I'm filming this today, we're actually on a 2-hour delay, so we're going to lose 45 minutes from the lesson. So this probably important warm-up's probably going to actually disappear. So we're going on to try and take a look at it if you get the chance. I've got two inequalities there, let me get rid of one of those. So we're going to try and solve this equation, and we were working on quadratic equations last time, and this time I've actually thrown in a cubic equation just to see if you could figure out the key steps for this. So with all questions like this, what we're looking to do is we're going to look and try and factor. So certainly for this one I can see every term has a tan x in it, so that's probably a good place to start. Take tan x as a common factor. And then look at the middle part as well and see if we can refactor this. So this is actually the quadratic now that we were doing last time. So 6, I can use 6 and -1. So 6 times -1 is -6, and 6 take away 1 is -5. So that does indeed factor. And the only real difference from this compared to the last lesson is rather than having 2 sets of solutions, there's going to be 3 sets of solutions. So either this is 0, or this is 0. Now this one we can do from our graph. So if you think about when this actually equals 0 from your graph, so 0, 180 and 360. And let me go back and look see what we put for my limits here. Well, I said not to include 540. 540 would be a solution, but I said don't include it. So 0 and 360 should be good for this one. And notice I put on the end there, not 540. So you do have to check the inequalities very carefully. Tan x minus 6 could equal 0, and if we solve that we get tan x equals 6, and then do inverse tan of 6. We get 81, and then remember for tan to find all the subsequent solutions, just keep adding on 180, 180. If we add on another 180, then we go beyond our limit for this question. And the last one, tan x plus 1 is 0, means tan x is going to be -1. And then if we do inverse tan for that one, well actually we first of all get -45 degrees, which is outside of our range. So we're going to ignore that question. If we add on 180, then we get this. And then we can do that a couple more times. If we were to add 180 onto the last one, then once again we go beyond 540. So that would be our last solution.